Hello students, how are you all? So today we are going to learn about comparing fraction. Okay, so we have already learned how to compare the whole numbers. So in the same way we can compare fractions also. Okay, so first we will see comparison of like fractions. Okay, so what do you mean by like fractions? This we have already learned in the types of fraction. Like fraction means the fraction whose denominators are equal. Okay, are known as like fraction. So here you can see that I have taken the first figure and I have divided it into the 4 equal parts. Okay. Out of 4 equal parts, I have shaded one part. So it represents 1/4. Okay. Then I have taken the second figure. This is also of same size and this is also divided into the 4 equal parts. And in this I have shaded the 2 part out of 4 part. So it represents 2/4. Okay. Now I have taken the third figure. This is also same in size and it is also divided into the 4 equal parts. And in this I have colored the 3 parts out of 4 parts. So this represents 3/4. Okay. Now I will keep these figures one below the other. Okay. So here you can compare it easily by its shaded part. So here you can see when the denominators are same, the fraction with the greater numerator is bigger. So which is the greater numerator? Here you can see 3/4 is greater than 2/4 and 2/4 is greater than 1/4. Okay. Now we will see comparing unit fractions. What do you mean by unit fraction? Unit fraction are those fractions whose numerators are 1. Okay, that are known as unit fraction. So here first I have taken first figure and I have divided it into the 2 equal parts and then I have shaded one part. So it represents 1/2. Okay. Then I have taken one more figure which is equal in size but I have divided it into the 3 equal parts and I have shaded one part of it. So it represents 1/3. Now I will again keep this figure one below the other. So here very easily you can compare that 1/2 is greater than 1/3. So what does this mean? The unit fraction with a bigger denominator is smaller than the unit fraction with a smaller denominator. Hence 1/2 is greater than 1/3. Okay. Now we will see adding and subtracting fractions. How to add and subtract the fraction. So first we will see addition of like fraction. Again here we comes in the like fraction. So like fraction means whose denominators are equal. Okay. So here you can see first figure which I have taken, I have divided into the 6 equal part. And the second figure also divided into the 6 equal part. First figure represent 2/6 and second figure represent 3/6. When we will add 2/6 and 3/6, so what we will get here? You can see the denominator is equal. That means the figure is divided into the 6 equal parts. That is why the denominator is equal and the numerator gets added. Okay, so when you will add like fraction, the denominator will be same and the numerator gets added. So here 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So here my fraction is 5 by 6. Okay. Now here next is subtraction of like fraction. So my first figure represent 3/4 and my second figure represent 1/4. Okay. So when I will subtract 1/4 from 3/4, so here you can see that the denominator will be same and the numerator will get subtracted. When you will subtract 1 from 3, you will get 2. Okay. So my answer is 2 by 4 or 2/4. Thank you.